My mother was a lady up front. That's how we all got in here. My mother started working here in 89. My grandmother actually married the owner of this place.
And he would fill up the shoebox and he would go around and ask the shoe stores, hey, can I leave this box of boot bands? And if they sell, great. If not, I'll come back and I'll pick them up. That's how they started. We don't even make them anymore. They were used to keep for the military to keep their pants tucked inside their boots. And you'd wrap it around because it would make it tight. I mean, it's unfortunate, but we found, other items to make.
Manufacturing is good for our country because we're creating jobs. We're using 10 different things to put in one item that we sell. Those 10 things are from 10 different people. So they're creating work for everyone.
Here it's like a craft. Like you have to care about what you're sending out. And it's something that you made, you're proud of it. So that's, to me, what's cool about manufacturing.
Yes, you're hired.
I have been from 1996. They are very nice people, everyone. We met lots of people, nice people.
18 years here. My kids, that was the options that my boss here, she make my hours flexible so I can take care of my kids, put them in school, come here work, and then go pick them up. Be like a family then.